Adverbs of degree. Elevate your English expression. Hello, language explorers. Today we're diving into the exciting world of adverbs, specifically focusing on adverbs of degree. These little words are incredibly powerful, allowing us to modify or add precision to our verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. The placement of these adverbs in a sentence can significantly impact the meaning of the statement, so understanding their correct use is crucial for effective communication. Adverbs of degree are all about intensity and degree. They help us describe to what extent or how much something is. Words like very, quite, extremely, fairly, to, enough, absolutely, and almost are all adverbs of degree. For example, he was extremely tired after the race. The test was quite easy. Remember, the placement of these adverbs is typically before the word they are modifying. In simple sentences, the adverb of degree usually goes before the adjective or other adverb that it's modifying. This is known as the default position. Here are some examples. She is extremely tall. He runs quite quickly. Remember that the adverb, extremely, quite, comes before the word it's modifying. Tall, quickly. Things get slightly trickier when adverbs of degree modify verbs. When an adverb of degree modifies a verb, it typically comes before the verb. However, when the sentence also includes an object, the adverb usually goes before the verb plus object unit. For example, I completely understand the assignment. No object. She nearly missed her train. With object. In these examples, completely and nearly modify the verbs understand and missed, respectively, and appear just before them. The adverb enough is an exception to the rule, as it comes after the adjective or adverb it's modifying. For instance, she is tall enough to reach the top shelf. He doesn't work hard enough. In these sentences, enough comes after the words it's modifying. Tall, hard. And that wraps up our exploration of the placement of adverbs of degree in sentences. By mastering these rules, you can add nuance and precision to your English communication, making your sentences more descriptive and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't forget to try using adverbs of degree in your conversations and writings. Until our next English adventure, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep communicating effectively.